Hey, you're with Dano Live, Dano Vision, Dano Live TV. We're at MarCel's. We're here in Norco, California. It's horse property. There's an open house. Supposedly, this fabricator here does a lot of cars for Luc Deley. And he's got this 57 Plymouth Belvedere sitting out here. It says, "Angel, my angel." So let's go take a walk around here and see what's going on. Never been to Norco. It's pretty cool. It's a horse property. Let's get another shot of this. There we go. All right, let's walk around here and go and see what's going on. Cool, huh? These houses, woo! You can deal with the stink and the heat. And Norco's not a bad place to have a big old casa. Oh, we got people hanging out here. Oh, wow! Check it out. Look at this. Welcome. Wow, looks like a Luc Deley creation right here.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at this. Probably do here.
Marcel's actually my dad. I'm Luc.
Okay. All right.
We do nothing but sheet metal work. We're probably best known for doing most of Boyd's stuff back in his day, and then I think we've worked for just about every builder out there over the years. And again, this is one of the cars we did maybe 10 years ago. I don't get to see them finished that often. They leave here in bare metal, and then I get to see them when everybody else does. But this is our new shop here in Norco, California. Just having fun with it, banging on metal every day.
And this is a 36, you said, right? Well, it's supposed to be a 36, but it has a lot of different custom features, right?
Well, this only looks like a 36. This is designed by Chip Foose, and it's completely handmade. It's an all-steel body. There's nothing 36 on this car. It's 100% handmade. And Fred's wiring finished the car. And it's because of Fred's wiring that makes us look so good. What a nice job he does.
Cool. Yeah, it's awesome. I like the color combo on this, and it's thank you for the invite out here to kick off the Grand National Road Show. I can't see a better place to come than here.
Oh, perfect. Well, hopefully there's a few more cars at the show that we get to put our name on. So.
Right. We got cars in here we can't show that they belong to Luc Deley. And we won't show them because on Rick's request, he wants to be surprised.
Yeah, you'll see him soon enough. About maybe another 6 months from now, and they'll be debuting at one of the shows. So.
Alrighty. Well, cool. Rick, thanks for the invite. I'm Dano with Dano Vision, Dano Live. Thanks very much. I'm going to do a walk around on this and get some shots. As he says, all custom made. It's supposed to be a 36. Chip Foose designed it. But there's nothing on it. It's 36. It's all custom made. All custom panels as we pan back. As you said, the build's been about a 10-year-old build. That thing is perfect. They got a California black plate. Not current registered, but it's 2015. It says 36 hot rod. HB car culture is everywhere. Just smell that leather. Even though it's been built many years ago, it has still the beautiful leather smell. And as I stated earlier, it was Luc we talked to. Marcel is his dad. He's the one that started this, and Luc has come by to finish it off. He's learned from his dad. So there you have it. That's what's happening here in Norco, or at MarCel's Custom Metal. They've been doing it since 1975, and they build cars for many personalities.